to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our very late brown sugar box for January 2024. This box did ship out extremely late. I think this box shipped out last Friday for me is when I got notification that it was being mailed. So I didn't get this until like the middle of the week, and then I didn't have time to film. So this is our January brown sugar box, late. But let's get into this thing and see what's in here. What held it up? You know, what held it up? Let's see what's in here. So guys, if you're not familiar with this box, this is a Black Lifestyle box, and this is a monthly subscription that is shipped out at the end of the month. So this box costs $42 plus $8.95 plus taxes based on where you live, and that is the monthly cost of the box. Every month you're going to get a t-shirt in this box. Every box has a theme for every month, and they like to switch things up a lot, so you know, we get to see what's in this box here. But let's get into this thing without any further delay, right? So this is your quick sneak peek. Now we have one item that's off to the side that was outside of the box. They couldn't get it inside, so that is the item there. The theme for this month is Goddess Energy, so that is the theme of the month. On the back here we do have a QR code so that you can access the mini magazine that they used to send out in a box online. So you can still go on there, get your playlist, see the beauties of the month, and on the inside of our little mini magazine we have the cost of our box up here. We have the items inside of our box, and the colorways that they came in. And this month's box, the theme is Goddess Energy. So this is the Goddess Energy edition for the brown sugar box. So let's get into this thing. This month's box is valued at $135. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. I'm going to start off with the item that was off to the side here, which I already started open so I wouldn't be struggling. We are having a glass mug with a lid and a spoon. It is a hand washed item for you guys like me who like to use the dishwasher. Here's our beautiful little spoon that comes with it. And let me pull our mug out of the box here. And this is our mug. Put that off to the side. Take some of this off of here. As you can see, the mug says Goddess Energy. This is our lid with the little crown on it. That is so adorable. And then we have, this is how it looks, and we have our little spoon to stir. So I think this is adorable. I love little stuff like this. This is like my little thing. So I love this for like tea and coffee. And I'm really into lately the glass coffee mugs for some reason. I don't know why. I have no idea why, but I like this. This is so cute. Like, look, that is so cute. But I wish the mug was bigger. Like, this is like baby coffee size to me. This is fine for tea, but for coffee, I like a bigger mug. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I think this is really, really cute. So this item here is valued at $25. It says this is the Goddess Energy glass mug. It's crafted from premium borosilicate glass. This mug is supposed to be very durable and it's elegant. It has a ceramic lid with the adorned golden crown, and it is not just a chic touch, it's a reminder with every glance that you're royalty. That is really cute. So everybody got the same one, it looks like, for the Goddess Energy mug. So I love this. This is adorable. So let's see what else is in this box. Alright guys, the next thing I'm pulling out, it looks like we have Goddess Energy Brew. This is a passion fruit black tea, and we got 10 tea bags inside of here. This is valued at $25, and it says infuse your day with the essence of a divine flavor. Goddess Energy Brew. You'll get lemon black, or you'll get passion fruit or ginger peach. So I again received the passion fruit black tea. So they says you get 10 bags per pack. So guys, the information we have here says this is an aromatic journey that is as bold as you are. And because we believe in abundance, each tea bag offers enough for 2 cups. Because one serving of goddess energy is never enough. So that's very cute. So this is the back. It tells you the ingredients here. And just, it's tea. So infuse your goddess energy with the tea. $25 for 10 tea bags. Seems a little inflated. Just a little bit. Just a little bit inflated on the price there. But let's see what else is in here. So the next item, guys, I'm pulling out. It looks like we have a journal. This is a leather-bound journal. And this is valued at $18. Let me take it out of the wrapper so you guys can see which one I got. Ooh, this is cute. I like this one. Isn't that adorable? So it does have the clasp here to open it. And inside, you just see all the blank pages you can write on. And this is the back. The back has the same picture. And you do get one of the page holders here that you can kind of move it around as you're writing. I like journaling, so I think this is nice. Now, this journal definitely gives that goddess energy kind of feeling. So I think this is cute. There were, looks like 5 different ones you could have received. It says, unleash the power of a story with this stunning new series of faux leather bound journals. It has a magnetic clasp to secure your secrets and dreams. These journals are more than just a notebook. They are your companions on your journey of self-discovery and expression. This is valued at $18. I would say not too bad for $18 for this one. You guys probably can't see, but these are the 5 different prints that you could have received, but you are familiar with some of the prints because some of the prints are prints that have been throughout the Izzy and Liv boxes in general. Like some of the prints are very familiar. So I think these are really cool. I like the journal. This is like a fave for me, and the mug so far. So let's see what else is in here. And we got our shirt of the month. So this is our shirt of the month. And our shirt of the month is valued at $25. You could have received one of 2 colors. They both say goddess energy, but one was like an orange color from what we see. And then I have this teal looking green here, or like a seafoam green. So this is my shirt, and I have size large, guys, is what I like to order. I don't like stuff being tight on me. So, and we have a V-neck top this time. So I think this is cute, goddess energy. I like it. So we have one more item in here, one thing left. So let me pull that out. Oh, that's another clothing item. So here is the item in question. We received the Regal Vibes satin caftan. It came in one of 6 prints, and this is valued at $52. And let me take it out of here and show you what I got. This is the print. This is such a nice print, though. I like these things because you can kind of lounge around in the house. Or if you're going to the beach or a resort, you could kind of use these as a nice cover-up without being too revealing and feeling quite comfortable in what you're wearing, and kind of have that elegant vibe where you're at a resort or something. So this is the one that I received. I love all the colorful colors in here. That's really nice. Again, the caftan is valued at $52, and it says, wrap yourself in the story of you with Izzy and Liv. New collection of caftans. Each print is a narrative of heritage and strength designed to celebrate the goddess in you. With every stride, you better work. So I really like that. That is cute. I don't know who writes this stuff for them, but they have such little, such good energy when you read the little magazines about the descriptions. But yes, this is my caftan, and I believe we all got one size fits all. I don't believe they gave us any sizes in this. So yeah. So guys, that is my box quick review. We have our caftan here for $52. We have our Goddess Energy shirt here for $25. We have our bag of tea here for $25 for the tea. We have our Goddess Energy mug and teaspoon to go with it. And we have our beautiful journal. I guess my favorites out of here are going to be the journal, the mug, and the caftan out of this box. I really like those three the best. But guys, that is my box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm picking up in my boxes. If you're into that kind of thing and you're newsy like me and you want to see what other people got, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Bye!